Hi kids! Welcome back to our fun learning time. Today, we're going to learn something super cool, how to use he and she. Are you ready? Let's go! Let's say hi to Tom and Emma. He is used for boys and men. Let's say it together. He. Great job! This is Tom. Tom is a boy, so we say, he is Tom. She is used for girls and women. Can you say, she? Awesome! This is Emma. Emma is a girl, so we say, she is Emma. Let's practice with some examples. He is riding a bike. Come on, repeat with me. He is riding a bike. She is reading a book. She is reading a book. He is cooking. He is cooking. She is eating. She is eating. Now, let's see if you remember. I'll say a sentence, and you tell me if we should use he or she. Ready? Dash is my father. Dash is my father. Answer, he is my father. He is my father. Dash is my mother. Dash is my mother. Answer, she is my mother. She is my mother. Dash is playing football. Dash is playing football. Answer, he is playing football. He is playing football. Dash is dancing. Dash is dancing. Answer, she is dancing. She is dancing. Dash is my brother. Dash is my brother. He is my brother. He is my brother. Dash is my sister. Dash is my sister. She is my sister. She is my sister. Learn with fun every day. Like and subscribe. Hooray, hooray! New videos coming. Watch, learn, and celebrate.